Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome to the video lectures. This is lecture number 3 for class 3. The subject is English and the book is Oxford Reading Circle. Here is your teacher Farhat Mubin from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Dear students, we are doing unit number 19 and this is the last lecture for unit 19. Here are the contents of today's lecture. First of all, introduction to the topics will be given. Then we will go through the main points of the story, that is the recap of the story. Today we will discuss the character sketch of Morgan and do some exercises. In the end, I will give you homework. In today's lecture, we will discuss the following topics. First, fill in the blanks. You know that we do fill in the blanks from anywhere within the lesson. Then MCQs. These are again unseen. Then there is a topic, character sketch. We will discuss how to write about any character from the story. In order to move forward with today's topics, we need to quickly go through the recap of the story. In this story, Joshua and Morgan were friends. Joshua wanted to keep the eagle as a pet. Morgan disagreed to keep the bird of prey in a cage. Joshua did not listen to Morgan, trapped the eagle and clipped its wings. Morgan felt sorry for the eagle as it had become weak and common fowl by living with the hens. Then Morgan bought the eagle from Joshua and took great care of it. He set the eagle free into air. The eagle thanked Morgan by giving him a dead rabbit. Let's begin with fill in the blanks. Here is the word bank given to you. There are 5 words. You will read the sentences carefully and find out to put the correct word in correct place. The question is, pick the words from the word bank and write in the blanks. First one, Morgan had been helping Joshua build a dash. Dear students, in order to do this exercise, you need to recall the story and then you will remember that Morgan and Joshua were building a wall. Second sentence, an eagle swooped out of the sky and dashed on the wall. See the word bank carefully and the answer here is perched. Perched means sat. Third sentence, eagles are birds of dash, said Morgan. You need to recall what Morgan had said about the eagles. And the answer is prey. Eagles are birds of prey. Morgan was telling Joshua that you should not keep the eagle in the cage because they are birds of prey. Fourth sentence, the eagle soon became dash and grey. When Joshua clipped the wings of the eagle, it became weak and its eyes became grey, and the proper word here will be thin. Last sentence, Dash felt so sorry for the eagle. This is very clear that Morgan felt sorry for the eagle. Now come to the next topic, MCQs. MCQs stand for multiple choice questions. Here you are given 3 options and you are supposed to circle the one that is correct. See the first sentence. Joshua threw the dash on the bird. The options are basket, net or cloth. Recall the story and the answer is net. So the option B is correct answer. Second sentence. The poor bird dashed around. Here the options are hopped, flew, jumped. Although the meanings of hopped and jumped are same, but we will put that answer, that word which is used in the book, and that is hopped. Third sentence is the dash of birds had become a common fowl. The options are friend, king or egg. The answer is king. Option B is the correct answer. Fourth one, the proud bird was now full of dash. The options are shame, money or love, and the answer is shame. Option A is the correct answer. Number 5. Morgan found a dash on his doorstep. The options here are hen, sparrow or rabbit, and the answer is rabbit. Here is the next topic of our today's lecture, and that is the character sketch of Morgan. Dear students, remember that even if the story is in past tense or the lesson is in present tense, you will always write the character sketch in present form. In order to write the character sketch of any character, you recall the words about the good or bad qualities of that character and then make simple sentences of those qualities. Automatically your paragraph will be done. See the sentences about Morgan's character. Morgan is the hero of the story, the eagle's present. He is Joshua's friend but completely different from him. He is kind-hearted, loving and caring. He helps not only his friend Joshua but the eagle too. He does not like to keep the birds in cages, so tries hard to stop Joshua from his act. His eyes are filled with tears to see the eagle in pain. He tries his best to set the eagle free to fly in the air, and finally his efforts are fruitful. In short, Morgan is a gem of good qualities. You see that we have picked out the qualities of Morgan within the story and had made a paragraph about Morgan. Now here is homework for you. Write the character sketch in your notebooks and learn it by heart. Then read the whole lesson carefully and practice more sentences for fill in the blanks and MCQs. As the sentences we did here are only the sample sentences. This is all about today's lecture. If you have any queries or questions, do ask me in the inbox. I am here to guide you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.